So it's GoPro time with the boys. What? Let me show you right with his GoPro, y'all. La Buena Vida time, y'all already know it. I'm Gucci. How do we even get out of here? I might go out this way, I ain't gonna lie. It's the only way I know. Sound good? Yeah, y'all, we just left Cars and Coffee. I don't know if you can hear it because the windows are down and I got this fan on my camera right here. Camera overheating, of course. I got to charge it for the next show. We got 3 more batteries. I don't think this thing's even charging that good either way. Yeah, we just left Cars Coffee Morrisville. If y'all don't know, it's a TikTok fan. Oh my God, dog, this shit's so complicated. But yeah, y'all, we on the way to La Buena Vida right now. We'll get there once again late. So I'm definitely gonna have some GoPro footage. It's gonna be a separate video. Bruh. I hate this bump right here. Oh, that's just terrible. But imagine people still out here at Cars and Coffee. Nah, it's a good turnout today though. Y'all probably seen that video for this one. Nigga, the light is red. What are you doing? The light's been red. Bro, stop that goddamn car. Buddy. Hear the vlog out. Uh-oh, my fault, music too loud. Hey, what the hell? Hey, we can tell. Hey, that boy. That Oh my God, is that it's the slow boy. Slow, GoPro. Oh my God, fast guys. Where you park? Where did the boys go? Now I lost the boys. Who the fuck is that guy? Yeah, I need a spot, brother.
If you want to park here, there's probably none, but there's some on the other side where I parked at.
There ain't even a fucking parking spot. I'm parking right there, bro. Fuck that.
They don't know. We know how bad you are with your shitty parking.
Get out of the way, I'm gonna hit you. Alright, y'all, we made it to La Buena Vida. With this event, I don't usually get photo dumps, but we do walk around a little bit so I can make the video at least 15 minutes long. Not even any exotics today. Only this guy right here, and then this Lambo.
What the hell are you talking about?
My boy flicking up over here in the Birkenstocks. Oh, that's that damn Cobra that blew on my eardrums at Cars Coffee Morrisville. We got a Porsche boys. This one sounds hella good. Got a big bird spec. Hellcat boys. Mopar boys. What the hell? What is this Land Rover on, bro? Bro, on the futuristic wheels. Single cab right here. That's nice. 650, 5.0. Small cars over here. Y'all know how this event get. Was on B-Lock. Crazy look. I got some whips over here. We got my guys right here. Y'all remember these guys? These are OGs. The first car meet I was hosted here, these guys did some crazy pulls. Y'all know them. We got my boy Ankh right here. We're cruising with him on the highway. We got a twin right here. The high ram. That tire, bro. That boy Lewis. Manual boys. Let's go on this engine bay real quick. Yes sir, yes sir. Crazy boys, crazy boys. Walk around a little bit more though. We got my guy Caden back here. Right beside this old school. I am not cultured, but this thing is a damn wagon, bro. Look at how this thing barely even fits in a parking spot, bro. We got the boys over here though. It's a little chill meet, man. We got my boy Evan right here posted up in the whip. My boy in that new edge. Let's see my boy. This man right here, I never seen this one before, I don't think. That boy on a serious tire. Yeesh. Crazy well, bro. Everyone getting V8s now, bro. It needs to be me next, bro. My guy, more in the cut. Some more cars on down that way. Super BMW. Boy, Coop. Boy, Jalen. Ah, my ears. Boys leaving. Hi, y'all. It's a little chill meet. Huracan over there, GTRs. Just some chill shit. My boy Jalen right here in the Mustang. Highlighter green. More on the Hoosiers. Crazy setup. Biggest tire I've seen on a Mustang, I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all go follow him on Instagram, Del, of course. Gotta plug him up. Alrighty though. Let's see what's going on. Some cars about to roll out right now. I'm gonna walk down this way since people love going to the right for some reason. What's man doing? I'm like doing a damn burnout, dog. Bro, come on, dude. That might have been the whole entire show. Watching to see if I recorded that shit.
It's so trash.
Boy Kareem in there. That's the slowest I ever seen him go. What the hell?
Psych!
Hold up. Oh, what the fuck? My camera stopped recording for no reason. I don't know why. Yes, sir. Send it. Yes, sir. That's in the intro right there. What the fuck? That nigga going for them niggas. That bitch flying. Oh my god. Oh, Millie. Oh shit! Damn it. It's clobbering time. Looking at. Yeah, look at the side of it.
I like the bell.
Bro's maxed out. I was like, are they gonna send it or not? rental boys. Uh-oh. Who you going for, my boy?
See? This is why I said I can't do
Let's go! Comedy dying down though. We finna head up out here. Thank you guys all so much for watching the video. Once again, sorry if it's 10 minutes long. Y'all know how these car meets be. I don't know, maybe next time we packed up, but we're about to head out to 7-Eleven soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video, man. Sheesh, you looking clean, my boy. Yes sir, yes sir. My good sir, where you going? I didn't know he was here. I'm weak.
I watched a bunch of the good stuff.
She's recording. I'm weak, bro. Alright, my guy. Big body, big body. Yeesh, boy, clean setup. Alright, my guy. Till next time.
Damn, I thought he was about to go slow.
Alright, though. We out of here.